Hello, everybody, on this day of a downward market and side sliding. Just want to go into what I think is pretty interesting with this article. And usually I don't read articles to the subscribers because it can be pretty boring. But this one here is something that you should read yourself when I put the link on it. And then I'm going to go through some of the highlights because what you have in this article is something that is in the future going to happen. And I'm not saying that everything in the article is correct. No, but what you are going to see is that the countries around the world, Sweden is going to be one of the first to introduce their own cryptocurrency to use. And that's going to happen among a lot of different countries who've already announced that they're going to do it. Okay, so just here we go. Virtual currencies have been part of the world's monetary system since 2009, when Bitcoin became the first of what is now a handful of those so-called cryptocurrencies. Handful? Wrong. A lot more than a handful. But for viable ones that have a future and have assets, a good amount, but not 1,500 coins and tokens you see on the market. Okay, digital currency transactions take place on online exchanges, lending to an anonymity that has led to shadowy associations with drug trading and money laundering. Yep, that's all been part of it, but that's not the majority of these days. Of course, there's a good amount of it going on, but a lot of independent investors are going at it using exchanges. Okay, so it's definitely convenient. Also, fuel the popularity of cryptocurrencies. More than 6 million people now own virtual currency, even more than that, including many investors looking to trade currencies to join the ranks of the Bitcoin billionaires. If we have another third quarter like last year, look out. Okay, as popular as they've become, virtual currencies may soon play an even bigger role in our financial lives, in part over fears that existing cryptocurrencies, which operate independent of governments, will make it harder to detect tax evasion. Sweden, China, Canada, and other nations have announced plans to launch their own. Now, you can understand, too, that if you're using Coinbase is reporting a lot of that over to the IRS in the United States. So you're not going to be avoiding taxes if you're in the United States because they will come after you. There's no doubt about that. And I'm not trying to scare anybody in this article. No, what I'm trying to point out is that in the future, you're going to have the combination of government-owned cryptocurrencies that are going to be used in the nation, not to replace paper money, but it's going to be part of life. And then you're also, as an option, and then you can also, of course, have the investment coins and tokens like the stock market. And you're going to be able to enjoy making profits off of those. Okay? Now, one of the things, too, that I thought was pretty important in this article, it's talking about real estate. And with real estate adopting cryptocurrency, put it down to convenience. In traditional real estate transactions, a buyer and a seller must engage a title insurance company to transfer the deed and guarantee ownership rights to the buyer. The process can take days or weeks. But when Bitcoin, other currencies too, enter the picture like Ripple, transactions can happen instantaneously. The virtual money is simply transferred from one digital wallet to another. The blockchain computers note the transaction, update the public law with the purchase, and the release of the deed. And that is very simple and easy. And the CEO of San Francisco-based real estate property says of the transactions. So getting down to the finish of this, and you can read this yourself. The future holds a great piece of cryptocurrency in it. And the values, the future holds a lot. Why do I say spring is coming and the launch is coming? You're going to see Bitcoin's dominance fade away. You're going to see the altcoins surge. You're going to see them live together and prosper and not be taken down on Bitcoin's downsides. You know, there's going to be less volatility in the market when more and more happens with the altcoins and with all the pieces coming together for cryptocurrency. So you won't see slides like this in the future. It's still going to happen in 2018, no doubt, but you're going to see more of a stability market 2019 and onward, and good profitabilities with a lot of the altcoins. Okay, I'll be in touch with some more stuff, and enjoy your Sunday. And don't forget to buy. Subscribe and notify. Real news in crypto world. Not hype, no FUD.